Good day, divergence traders. Doing the video a few hours late today. Still not feeling the best. Okay, let's try and get through this here. So we're gonna take it from here up to here. It's hidden divergence. Hard to see divergence. Down there like that. See, that lines up with that. That lines up with that. And as hard as it was to do it, you would have sold. Maybe after you broke through here and sold it, and down it went. Didn't have a trade here on the open. They smashed it down, and then they brought it right back up, trying to, well, they definitely succeeded, I'm sure, with some people. Like, they smashed it down here. There was people selling in here. And the people who are selling in here, they had their stop right up here. Okay, then they came back up very close to your stop up here. Okay, and if you panicked and got scared out, well, then your trade went down even further and it would have worked out. But if you waited till over here, once price closed down below the 2 moving averages and the 5 crossed down below the 7, you would have sold it, you would have made money. There's no lower low. Well, there's a lower low, but there's no divergence to buy in here. And this is kind of like a double top. But this is on the 5-minute we're looking at, okay? Now, if we go look at the 1 minute, here was that trade over here, see? Now, came roaring down, all the way down. You could have sold these blue closing up candles, okay? Up closing candles, sell, down it goes. Here, let me just show you here. Right here. Sell, down it goes. Right here, another one. Another bullish candle closing, sell it, down it goes. Here's another one. Sell right here, down it goes. Another one right here, sell, down it goes. You can only do that a few times, okay? Like Elliott wave, there's 3 waves. So it's okay to do the first one, the second one, and if you do the third one, you could be playing with fire, ladies and gentlemen, okay? But you can see here it worked like 4 times. Say one right here, sell, it worked, sell, sell. But soon it doesn't work because soon it changes direction. You got to remember that. So it's only a good strategy for the first few trades, okay? And then we went up, see? Once it crossed up, excuse me, these little pin bars, would have bought this one too. Sometimes they don't show the lower closing candles. Right here is a lower closing candle. You would have bought it here, up it goes. Here's another one, bought it, up it goes. Here's another one, bought it, up it goes, okay? And this up here is divergence. This is the 1 minute time frame I'm looking at because it's a crazy day today because the meeting minutes, whatever it is, FOMC, is happening today. This is why the market's doing strange things, okay? I did not trade today because I could see how it first started out and it was ugly. It was fugly. So I didn't touch it. And here's a trade here to sell. And it went down like 33 points, okay? That's it for the NASDAQ. Let's look at the Dow. Look at that. You see that huge spike up? The NASDAQ was spiking down at the same time the Dow was taking off like a rocket up. Yep. It's doing the exact opposite because so many people, they know so many people follow them together as a pair and say, oh, this one follows this one, or see, they both go up at the same time. See, they both go down at the same time. Well, you see today that that's not true, okay? I used to be one who would think that and look for that also. Not no more. Not no more. You got to trade what you see, not what you think. Okay, ladies and gentlemen? Okay. So anyway, there's no divergence down here to buy it with this big rocket up. And there's no other divergence, excuse me, to buy it here either. No. So it's like it's a write-off. Gave a signal like over here. Let's look at the S and the P now. Here's the opening of the S and the P right there, 1630, which is 930. So, if you bought a dip, you made a few points. Well, it's kind of tricky to see this here. Double, triple, quadruple top. Yeah, it's an awful day to trade, you know, because of the FOMC. So, if you got short in there, you made a few points. See? Down it went. Then we kind of have a double bottom right here. Okay. And you would have got in there. Long. Stop would have been 4.5 points. This is the S and the P. And it went up 6 points. So you got your 1-to-1 here. And there's no trade here other than the 5 doing a cross down below the 7. And you could have sold here too at the close of this bullish candle and you would have made some points. Okay? Let's take a look at oil. Oh, look at that sticking out at you. Both, oh no. I was going to say both trades, but here you got like a triple bottom. But it doesn't line up with the indicator. I'll just show the one trade up here. We got a high and a higher high. Just like that. Need to sell it in here. Stop would be 43 points. Went down 51 points. And that's it for oil. Gold. Oh, look at gold. Just got to get a little water here. Hold on. Woo. Okay. Beautiful trades on gold. High and higher highs, see? Good sell right here. High and higher highs. Stop would have been about 30 points. Went down 81 points. Then we had low and lower lows. See right here. Or we could even count it as a Double bottom. Sorry if I'm so slow doing this. I'm just not myself here. Stop would have been 27 points at the closest swing low. Went up 84. You would have got your 1-to-1. So even another trade up here if you really wanted to look for it. It's like right here, double top. It's like triple top. Triple top right here. We're looking at gold here, ladies and gentlemen. Gold. And this was good. Stop would have been around 30 points, and so far it's went down 22. Don't know if it will hit the target or go back up. Who knows? And the pound yen. Oh, okay. Low and lower low. Just like that. And we got long right there. It went up 50 pips on the pound yen. Stop would have been 15 pips. It went up 50 pips. Euro yen. Oh. Oh yeah, look at that sticking out at you. Both of them. Double bottom. It would have got long right there. Stop would have been only like 10, 11 pips. Went up 22 pips. This is the euro yen. Then along the way, we had a pullback, and then another push, and then another pullback, which created hard to see bullish divergence. See that? Beautiful. We got long right in there. Went up 30 points, and your stop was the nearest swing low right here. Your stop was 13, and it went up 30. See how beautiful that is, ladies and gentlemen, how it does these pullbacks, and then we get our entry, and look, did the price ever come back and taunt us or haunt us or put us in fear? No, went up. Our entry right here, ladies and gentlemen, did the price ever come back and hit our stop down here? No. We got in after they hit the stops. Right here again, we got in after the stops. Do you see how powerful divergence is, ladies and gentlemen? That alone makes it worth the while to study it. Oh yeah, you need to study it if you want to make money. But that makes it all the worth, all, you know, it's weight in gold right there. This is the pound dollar, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I had to take a little bit of a breather to look at it. It's the first time I'm looking at it today. I've been sleeping. I feel like I was hit by a transport truck. We're almost done. Bear with me. So we got low and lower lows there. You would have got in right there. Stop was like 6 pips. It went up 15 to there. Went up 18 or whatever up there. Now, where's the next trade, right? Where's the next trade? Oh yeah, there it is, there it is. Sorry. We got high and higher high. See that? It's telling you to sell right here. Well, what happened? You got screwed. Now, I guarantee you, I'm going to put a line on there to prove it. right here. See that? If we go to the 15-minute, is the 5 below? Let me make it even bigger for you. Is the 5 moving average, this dotted line, is it below the 7 moving average, this purple or purplish pink? What color is this stupid? Orchard. Oak Orchard, I think it's called. Dark Orchard. Okay. I use it because I'm colorblind and I can't mix like yellow and greens. They look brown to me, and yeah. So there's only certain colors that I use and put on the chart, and that's why I have this very pink looking line on my chart. Trust me, pink is not my favorite color. I'm not one of these guys who wears pink shirts, okay? Not that it means anything or whatever. You know, there's a lot of guys who wear these pink shirts, not me. Anyway, so my indicator would have saved your ass from selling in here, okay? That's why I got that indicator made. If you're going to try and trade counter trend against the trade, against the trend, well, this indicator will tell you, no, don't do it, don't do it. Okay, hold on, we're almost done. So then we have double top, right? This is the last trade. Oh, am I ever feeling rough today? Just like that. And would have sold it right there. And again, at the time, the 5 was still above the 7. So, would have you gambled and took it short here? Or would have you just let it go and wait for another trade? See, this trade over here, it was good. It was good. It went up. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Oh, I forgot to tell you. So you'd sell it there. Your stop would have been 10 pips, and it went down 17 pips so far. Anyway, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Please excuse how I sound here. I'm still ill here. I hope I get past this. I had a CT scan last night at the emergency, and I got some issues, but they say it's like almost normal, so I just got to wait for this to heal up. I have a hernia, a small hernia, and I also am passing some, they're like kidney stones, but they're very, very tiny little crystals, and I'm passing those right now, and yeah, that's what's going on, and it's making me still feel really sick. So that's why I sound like this today. Anyway, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. If you could be so kind to please hit the like button and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you, traders. Have a good night and afternoon. Good luck and good trading. And remember, FOMC in another 2 hours from now. 2.5 hours. Don't forget the one at 2:30 too, when they start talking about it. Be careful. If you do decide to trade it, trade really small. That way, if you're wrong, you won't get, hurt. Okay. Good luck and good trading. See you tomorrow.